Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing Ubisoft Error Code 2 can be frustrating, especially when you're ready to play. This error usually pops up when the Ubisoft Connect launcher has trouble connecting to its servers. It might be your internet, a firewall, or even some corrupted game files causing the issue. But don't fret, we'll walk through some simple solutions to get you back into your game and enjoying your time. Let's start with the easiest fixes. First, simply restart your computer and, if you can, your internet router as well. This clears up any temporary network hiccups. After that, open your Ubisoft Connect launcher by right-clicking its icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Giving it admin privileges often solves connection or permission issues, allowing the launcher to function correctly. If a simple restart didn't work, let's check your network and firewall. First, confirm your internet connection is stable. Try browsing a few websites. Next, head into your computer's firewall settings and make sure Ubisoft Connect is allowed through. Sometimes, your antivirus or VPN can also interfere, so try disabling them briefly to see if that resolves the connection error. Corrupted cache files or game data can also cause error too. To fix this, locate the cache folder within your Ubisoft Connect installation directory and delete its contents. After that, go to your game library in Ubisoft Connect, right-click the game, and choose Verify Files. This process checks for and repairs any missing or damaged game files, providing a fresh start for your game. If you've tried everything else, a full reinstallation of Ubisoft Connect might be necessary. Before you do, consider backing up any local game save files not cloud-synced. Uninstall the launcher, restart your PC, then download and install a fresh copy. If the error persists, reaching out to Ubisoft's official support team is your best next step, as they can offer more personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.